Pete and I are at a beautiful place that we just love to come visit every 6 months. We've never taken bees out of this house before, but we were here last year. We've probed, we've fleared, we've everything else. This is a robin frenzy going on. Last year we came to try to find them. We couldn't find them. I ended up having to leave, go work out of town, and so I never came back to the property last year. So another beekeeper came over to try to find them and couldn't locate them in the house. So when I got back into town, they called me again, still having a problem. Couldn't find anybody else that could take care of it. I came over, looked, no luck finding them anywhere. The way this house is built, it's got a short little crawl space across the front of that roof there that I will not fit in. They're not in that soffit. They're not in the wall. There's that master bedroom, living room. They're not in the wall between the two. Couldn't get a heat signature on the ceiling of either. Just hard to find. And so when we came back to do the actual removal 2 weeks ago, there weren't any bees anymore. Just nothing. So we didn't do anything. Come over here, look. There's no activity. So we told the guy on his place, is like, yeah, we missed them. They're gone. If you see any more activity, it's gonna be robbing, which is what's going on right now. Normally we wouldn't be back. Normally we'd just let this get robbed out, close that up, that'd be the end of the problem. The problem now is that this thing was full of honey when the hive died out. Hive beetles got in it, and now there's honey running down through the walls and ceiling.
1, 2, 3 right here.
Yeah, they got bees getting inside.
I was gonna go look. Yeah, they're in the front room window.
Yeah.
Oh, they're all over this window.
The guy who contacted us, his mom lives here, and she's up in her 80s and has a caretaker. She's not in great shape. Hey, we're here to take care of the bees.
So how they get in though?
I don't know.
Through here?
I don't see any through there. I don't know how they getting in because I ain't seeing.
I never noticed that.
Let's see.
Yeah, you hear them in the windows? I'll get them up.
Oh, you don't think we need to get out of here?
No.
Okay, so we're trying to figure out how to close this house off. This is wide open all the way through, but bees are getting in and going into the windows. And look at the honey running down. Saturated the wall, the carpet. Yeah, we got some work to do. That's about where that wall meets, ain't it?
Yep.
We'll take some measurements and see where that is.
This rod can come off to get these out the way. And then pull that up and hang it that way and put the plastic over it.
All right. We may have to replace that receptacle.
4 feet. It's up to the normal size.
I missed my guess on this. My best guess would have put the bees further down that way. Can't be right every time, jeez.
Just gotta find where the middle bracket grabs it because this is loose.
Did you forget there's bees up in the curtains?
No, I know they're there. I ain't messing with them.
If I didn't mention it already, I do not mind this robin at all. I actually welcome it because they can get honey out of spaces that I physically can't get to. Anything that's running, they're gonna take care of the loose stuff before they'll uncap and take care of the capped stuff. But we got bees coming and going all over the place, going in old soffit vents with probably bad screens on them. Yeah, in and out of those soffit vents. Yeah, I welcome that. Come on, clean it up. Let's let the rain down on my head while we're cutting this thing out.
B-man uses whatever he's got.
Cut the ceiling.
It's dripping down here. Man, that looks like molasses coming out of there.
Nasty.
Oh, you know what it did?
You forget to cut the ceiling.
No, it's cut.
It's not breaking.
It's not breaking, but it's cut. I'll cut it again. No, you know what it did? It still may not be right here. It's using the back of this crown molding as a channel back there.
Yeah, you may be right.
It could be anywhere and just traveling down it.
Well, yet again, we don't know where the hive is. You want a razor knife? Oh, I thought you had a
That's
multi.
why I looked at you like, do I want a razor knife?
I thought you had a multi-tool. That was like, I'm gonna cut you look.
Yeah, 'cause you asked me if I want a razor. I wonder, what do you think I was using?
I don't know.
You know,
But
I
it's-
carry like 3 knives on me at one time.
It's not cutting caulk, whatever it is.
Yeah, I don't know if that's caulk. I think it's paint, but yeah, we're getting new drip holes just from doing this. This is to coat the front end. You know, dude, yo, Robin, leave me alone.
Mind your own business.
No, don't. He went under the hat and on the forehead. I was like, didn't want that one already. You sure I don't want to open it? Don't want to open this window?
I don't know. I hope this is where it's at. I hope it's not running down from higher up.
But the amount of bees, I can open this up and see if we can get some of mine here to start with on their own.
Let's go ahead and close this off.
Yeah, 'cause
Man, we're not even into it good. All we done is pull the crown down. That's what we got in the window already. It's a pretty good heat signature though, because it goes to over here somewhere and back over here. So now, this is a heat signature we couldn't see before. Right there where the hot spot ends, right here is where we've taken crown out to. I don't know, I can't really see you through. Yeah, I guess I can see you through the window. That was wood all the way, wasn't it?
you and the knife. Maybe.
Yuck. Hive beetle larvae all in it.
Man, it does just reek.
It's kind of got a sweet smell to it though.
With that many worms on it?
No, well, I have my nose right here at the honey. Here, take the knife, I'll take that outside.
Oh, nice clean cut on the wood. Look at it.
Perfect.
Sure, try. You get to yank it open and see what's up there.
Remove my saw first. I prefer not to have honey in my saw.
That saw's probably seen more honey than my coffee.
You are probably right.
I figure when you do that.
Oh, 2 stings.
Yeah, I don't know. It's been happening on and on. But I figured when you did that, they were gonna go at you. But I don't think any more is going out the brick wall anymore.
Dang it. I grabbed right on 2 bees and they didn't like it.
And that was honeycomb I just seen drop.
Yeah. And crud. Yeah, this is nasty.
Yeah, well, that's when I see something like that. I
Yeah.
believe you cleaning out the pipe on a camper. Oh, there he is. That's the man, ain't it?
Ready?
Yeah. Ooh, now yeah, I can't see, but now I can see what you're doing. And that's why you couldn't get a read on it.
Yeah. It's too high up and up over that framing.
Because I think this is false ceiling too.
Plus it had all that insulation in there.
Yeah, that's why you couldn't get the read. Only because all the robbers are in there and made it so warm. Window.
Yeah, I think he's probably freaked out by the bees in the window. A 12-inch joist with insulation and over the wall, half over the wall. That's why I wouldn't read. Once that insulation got wet and packed down though, I was able to see it. We got some capped honey up in here. I scraped out all the mud and the gunk. Now I'm trying to get the little bit of capped honey that's left. And they ain't liking me taking it. They're willing to fight for it.
Oh, that is just some nasty stuff.
Yes, it is. I'm gonna shake these outside, I think. Oh, something was wiggling. It's a wax moth larva. I done chopped him in half.
He was a big one too. Your wife wants to know if you called the repairman.
One of them. Ow. More stings.
I feel for you. I didn't say it was alive,
I didn't say what kind of feeling. I feel some kind of a way.
I feel like, yeah, you, me, yeah, you.
Yeah. Man, they built over dirt daubers and wax moth larvae and all kind of junk.
Now, on this side here, right? I'm trying to get my finger where it's. Oh, your camera's on this side. Okay. So, right here is wax moth. That's what all that is, right?
Yeah, all
That
white.
weird looking.
Just ran for a new packing installation. Come back, check, see what we got left. Ain't a whole lot of bees coming and going no more since we done removed everything. A little bit, but nothing like before. This is a drywall we cut out, the trim we pulled down. We're still working on some of that. Some of that old nasty insulation that came out. About to finish on the inside and then close that up. Back buttering. We got 3 layers of insulation packed up in there. 3 layers worth of it anyway. Of course, it was a 12-inch space, and the insulation they sold us was for a 6-inch space because that's all they had in stock. So we got it packed up real good.
Yeah, this whole brick is loose.
We're back on this one again today. Got to do some finish work. Still doing drywall and paint inside. We got to close up the hole where the bees are coming in, and they got really openings all along the crown there where bees were traveling. Got to sand the ceiling and be ready to paint. I don't know if you'll be able to see this on video or not, but right there and right over here, I did 2 test spots to see if I could match that ceiling paint. So I could kind of blend this corner, but it looks like I'm probably going to have to do the whole ceiling. If you just walk in here casually looking, nobody'd ever notice. But it's got to be right. And then we got to finish the walls. This is where that honey ran down. I've scrubbed that and cleaned it best I can. That's in the paint. And just like right here where honey is saturated into the drywall, it is bleeding through that drywall mud. I'm gonna have to prime it with a spray kilts or an oil base. Spray kilts is what I'm gonna use on that. That stuff usually seals up about anything. So I'll use that on the ceiling right there. And I'll run a coat of ceiling paint on this wall first. If that doesn't cover it up, I'll come back with spray kilts on that whole wall. Some mighty fine caulk work there, Pete.
It's all in the finger. Get your yellow paint up behind it. Yeah, so leave it covered, take it off, then we'll do that. But then I'm not gonna worry about covering it. We should be all right.
I like that window behind you. It's good silhouette action going on. I feel like a bad. Ooh, it's a spaceship noise.
Now it's my space. Dude, you put that on, I'll get killed. That's good. I don't know why I was filming standing up. I know better. Is that why you get the films on YouTube every once in a while that they look like they're sideways on your phone? You can't flip them?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
If you start straight up, that's the way your video is going to come out. It's going to be vertical.
So if you turn it while it's like that, then you gotta, someone's got to sit with their phones cocked goofy to watch it.
Yeah.
Okay. I was always wondering why that happened.
Take care of the drips and the runs.
You do that, you're gonna have the drips and the runs. I'm gonna go over this whole area right here to make sure I can blend it off.
Stay off my tram.
I ain't having a problem. I ain't gonna touch that trim. If you did it as wide as you said you did, I don't have an issue.
One brush width.
Then I don't have an issue. I can judge that.
Ah, get out of the picture, man. It's supposed to be like we were never here.
Oh, well.
Now, like we were never here, all except for repositioning the furniture and the fact that the room is fresh all the way around. Everything but the carpet, which we cleaned, except for the rust spots or whatever that is. Done. Perfection. And we never broke a sweat. We're getting out just ahead of a tropical storm. Low weather came through last night. This is where we've been parking. Messed up my parking spot.
Give you a background in sizing. That thing's huge. No, just stay there.
My bumblebees are sticking around.